Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Let's take a look at the updates for XRP USDT trading pair with my custom maker set. I just posted the video about a BTC, and BTC pumped it to over than 71k. So now it's 71,200, and all targets relevant. So I highly recommend it. Just go and double check that video because this video will be live later. Of course, all videos on schedule. So what is good, what is bad for the alts? If BTC recover, I hope the spring can be green one for all alts, but not for the white sector. That's why only the main tokens like XRP can perform. The H-bar, for example, the render, maybe some tokens will perform, some not. That's why it's hard to say which one to choose, but I think the top players will perform together with the BTC. That's why don't spread the stable coins between the hundreds of tokens, because not all of them will play out perfectly good, because not enough liquidity to pump all of them. So what is good and what is bad for XRP? We still didn't see the signal to take profit from the sell. It's kind of bad signal because here, even in Zone 21, when we hit the high around $1, around $2, let's be real, after that, let's count the days. So let's say from the last signal to sell, not from the top, from the last signal to sell, we spent like 392 days until we saw the signal take profit. This is the money back on the weekly time frame. So now 390 days, so it's over the year. So if we count from this sell, it can be, if the history repeat, it could be the August 26. So just in case, and that time, guys, I think the XRP can be around the 87 cents and the close over than 50% of the monthly gap, because we leave the huge gaps, and here is going to be the over than 50%. So 87 cents can be the bottom for the XRP, around the 80 cents. So just in case. So that's why now locally, of course, we can rebound to here, for example, test the 38 level fee, $1.80. And I'm not sure we go into $2.68. And if we rebound to this area, it will be not a mistake if you cut the knives here to fix 57%, guys. Because it's just my humble opinion, I think we will see the XRP this year at 87. Global target still the same, so it's around the $5, so it's 1.61 level fee. Everything absolutely relevant, and I'm more than sure we will see the XRP at that levels. I understand there is a lot of adapts of XRP, so we have to skyrocket to the $10 or even the $50 or $100. But guys, on this channel we talk about realistic targets. So bad news, we still didn't see the signal take profit from the sales. Daily, I guess there's a lot of signals to buy. Yes, here was the last signal to sell on the daily. January, take profit, January 31, buy, bounce, buy. And yes, now the road can be open if the BTC continue rally. So now 71, yes, still 71. So we can go over than this liquidity pool, $1.80 more than real to see. And after that, we can see another leg down this summer. So just in case. But of course, like all other traders, guys, I wish to see the all tokens just to the moon. So let's double check, guys. I wish to see the 365 EMA. So this is what I would like to double check. 365. So the yearly EMA. Today I showed that EMA on the BTC, and here. Usually the price has this line around the bottom. So, of course, the line since August 2020, June 2020, just only shown on the chart, right? And here's a retest. Retest, we trade under. So that time retest was 40 cents. We dump it to 31, so 10 cents down. So not like big difference. After that, we consolidate around the yearly EMA and bounce it last time and in August 24. To the new all-time high. So now at this current moment, the lines are dynamic, guys. It's on the weekly time frame, $1.03. In the next few weeks, for example, if we hold the line here, it can be this price movement. So for example, we now can rebound, let's say $1.80, then retest the line, consolidate, sweep with the weak candles like it was here, and start build a new uptrend structure zone 27, zone 28, for example. That's why, of course, guys, I wish to see the altcoins perform like in zone 21, but I unfortunately we have to work with only the current data. Take profit, guys, indicator showing us, so here, the fundamental value of the XRP, now it's around 97 cents, 31 on the weekly time frame. We already retested the buy line on the weekly, so it's bullish signal. So take profit line retest is $2.57. I'm not sure we're gonna retest $2.57. Honestly, it's possible, but I don't think so. So now all eyes on a dynamic line of 385.65. So I think in the next few days, guys, we will see something like this one. By end of March, for example, we can retest this line, retest a take profit line, and going down this summer to 87 cents. So I don't think so we're going to drop to 42 cents, but 80 cents can be the bottom for XRP this run. A monthly time frame, we already retested above the exit line. A buy line on the monthly, now it's 55. So I think around, I don't know, it's hard to say when, but maybe the May, maybe the next year we will see the test of the buy line, but not now. So I don't think so. Now we crashed down to the 55. So just be careful, but just add alert. Just add alert and wait. This is going to be another mistake. Money power, guys, no money inflow for a daily time frame, weekly time frame. Yes, the whales accumulate since November, time to time. They accumulate, and keep in mind, they're usually more than okay to out with 100% profit. That's why if we'll see, for example, from that low, like $1.15, but some magic happened, we pump it to $2.38, I guess it's going to be the good time to fix a profit. And the last one, guys, indicator, I would like to show to the direction. Like you can see, there is no accumulation yet. We need to wait something like this one. Happened at May 22, and once again in October 23. So now nothing. Now nothing, just local speculation. And I guess the $1.40 is not the investing time into XRP. And by end of the video, I would like to show you the liquidation heat map. So definitely the K level now, everything around the $1.80. So highly recommend you just add alert to my take profit indicator, take profit line, and wait that test. It's a monthly time frame, liquidation heat map, and here if we double check weekly, $1.43, so just local zone, and the 3 months time frame liquidation heat map also, like you can see the big cluster around $1.79, $1.87. Or some of this is around the gap. This one, at $2.80, $2.50. I don't think so. We will pump to $2.50. That's why all eyes now on $1.80, $1.87. So guys, if you would like to trade with my custom set and add the same alerts like I did in this video and the previous one, and track that alerts in real time, just write me DM. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.